Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Tosh here. I am here today with my November Ipsy Glam Bag X unboxing. This is the highest tier with Ipsy. Oh, sorry, there's a dog hair. Which I believe is around $54 or $58. I know I don't have the exact amount right. But it is their highest tier. I do typically in the past have really enjoyed it, so I'm excited to get into this box. For those of you that are returning, thank you so very much for being a part of this and returning and watching my videos. I really appreciate you and I appreciate your support. For those of you that are new here, I am so glad you're here as well and appreciate. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I typically do all things makeup. Unboxings, try-ons, a What's New Wednesday. If you're interested in that, I would love for you to click the subscribe button. I am aiming for 50 subscribers, and at that point I will do a large giveaway. So I just need one more. I would love for you to join the family, so please click subscribe. And without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump into the box for this month. So I'm going to go ahead and open it so you can see exactly how it came to me. There is my Glam Bag X. It does always come with a very large, looks almost like a paper or a periodical, as with who is collaborating on it. It is Huda Beauty this month. Huda is the one who helped curate a lot of these products. And then on the inside, it will tell you about each product and why they were chosen and give just a little more detail about it. So let's go ahead and jump into the products next. So the first product I have is this Wishful Honey Balm. This is the Jelly Moisturizer, and I'm going to read just a little bit about it. It says, "There's so much to love about this moisturizer. This unique jelly texture. It's perfect under makeup. Honey that locks in moisture. Turmeric that brightens dark spots, and niacinamide that minimizes pores." Retail value $43. I do have this exact product that I received actually either in a Ipsy or in a BoxyCharm before, so I'm not going to open it up. I'm not going to open this one, but I will tell you it does have quite a bit of smell. On the side it does tell you it has lavender, honey, niacinamide, and but the lavender is pretty strong, so there is quite a scent. It is a very nice gel or jelly-like texture. It does work well under makeup, however, with the smell, and it does linger. I would not ever use this under makeup. I would probably use it at night. For me, it's just a little too much of a smell, and I cannot use it, so I'm not even going to open it. I am going to put this in the giveaway. The next product that I have here is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. There are 60 pads in this, and let's read about that really quickly. So First Aid Radiance Pads, this is the Ultra Gel Peel Pads that are infused with lactic and glycolic acids to help smooth and brighten without irritation. Retail value is $36. Let's go ahead and open this and see if there's a seal. I can already tell you that there is. I'm not going to open this because I do have a Radiance pads already open and I don't want to have these dry out. But it does exfoliate, tone, and brighten. And for me, these kind of pads are really good for when I'm having acne breakouts. They seem to help clear that up quite well. The next product in here is the Pmd Clean. This is a Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device in Warmth. That's the color. And basically it is an ultra hygienic silicone cleansing device that vibrates. There is a battery that's included. Retail value is $99. For me, I have two of these already that I've gotten both in an Ipsy as well as in a BoxyCharm. I don't need another one. It will also go into the giveaway. I am a little disappointed with how much skincare there is. Typically for me, Ipsy is a better box, particularly the Glam Bag X, than the BoxyCharm because they do tend to be makeup heavy for me. That's what I like. That's what I really prefer. But this month, definitely not. We are much more skincare heavy, which I am just a little disappointed about. I'm going to go ahead and put this over to side, so this will be a giveaway as well. The next product that I see in here is the Gold Fadin MD Needleless Serum. It is $165. It says fewer lines, no injections needed. Sounds like a dream. It is a powerful anti-aging serum that does just that with moisture-boosting hyaluronic acid and firming seaweed. Basically, you press it into the skin like a serum. It helps dry skin to boost absorption and efficacy. I am going to go ahead and open this up because I certainly will try this. So let's go ahead and see what the consistency is. I'm hoping there's a seal, and there is. You guys know I am a fanatic about seals. We're going to open this up. And I'm going to put, ooh, that is much more liquidy than I expected. So that is very, very liquidy, very much like a serum, of course. Sometimes they say serum and it's not really. It's going to run off my hand. It doesn't smell like anything, maybe a little bit of a clean smell. It feels very much like a gel serum, kind of jelly aloe vera-ish. That'll be interesting. I certainly will try that out. Yeah. I still can't tell if there's a smell or not. The next thing I have is the Positive Light Liquid Luminizer by Rare Beauty. I actually have been dying to try some products from Rare Beauty. So this is a $22 value. It is supposed to pick up on the light and shimmer, and we have the color Out to Shine right there at the top. And let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. So here is the bottle, which is gorgeous. I do think the packaging is beautiful. I do love that Selena Gomez made it a little bit easier for people with disabilities to open with the Dippers type cap, which is pretty cool. I do work in the therapy field, so I am all about that. It is a nice big doe foot applicator. I'm going to put it right here on my arm, and then we're going to blend it out. It is quite golden for me, but we'll see how that blends. And so there it is. It is beautiful. Much prettier on the viewfinder than it is in person. It will, as you can see on my skin and my hair, it will pick up on texture for sure. So you can see that right there on the hair. And it feels a little oily, greasy. Very greasy, actually. I am not the biggest fan of how that feels. That it feels quite greasy. It feels like it would not dry down. I did take it off, and it comes completely off right there. You can't see very much residue. But it just feels... Well, we'll have to see about that. Okay, the next product that I see in here is the Huda Beauty Concealer. This is in the shade Marshmallow. There's the color right there. It does look a little bit light for me. I am going to go ahead and put it on my skin. And we're not going to put it where we put that highlighter, so let's put it over here. We'll just take a little bit out. It was a little more than a little bit, but that's okay. So there it is, not blended in. One nice swipe, and you can see it has pretty good coverage there. It is quite light for me, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to use it or not. Maybe under the eyes, although that is extremely light compared to my skin. But we'll try it as we get paler in the winter. Retail value for this is $30. One of the things that Huda did include in this is, and I did forget to mention this when I had it open, the metal tip. When you apply the concealer under your eyes, it does help cool, which will certainly help with puffiness or those kind of things. So that is kind of a nice extra. I do appreciate that thoughtfulness in the product design. The next product in here is the Huda Beauty Purple Haze that you can see in the corner of the box. This is one of her palettes. And so the Huda Beauty Haze Obsessions eyeshadow palette is $29. And let's go ahead and open this and check this out. I do appreciate the packaging. It is a clear packaging here, and the actual palette is a beautiful purple. There is some beautiful shininess, which I am not opposed to at all. a huge mirror, which I won't blind you guys with, but it is right there. And then that is the colors of the shadow. I'm a purple girl, so I am going to swatch these two. So let's go ahead. This is kind of a dark purple. I'm going to swatch it right here on my arm. And then I am going to swatch this metallic purple. That metallic is beautiful, I can tell you that. Very pretty. You know, swatching on the arm is a little different than swatching the eyes. I am going to go ahead and do one more glitter because that shade didn't seem to do much justice, and I am going to put it right here on my arm. And that one was a little bit better. So there is that palette. And the very last thing in here is a Patrick Ta product. This is actually the lip mask from Patrick Ta. I love the packaging. It is in She's Juicy. And you can see it is the Softening Lip Mask by Patrick Ta. And so it says, the Softening Lip Mask is ultra nourishing. It locks in moisture and it's vegan. $22 is the retail value. I do love Patrick Ta's packaging. So that beautiful rose gold transitions into a very similar beautiful rose gold cap. It is square in nature. I do have fingerprints on it because I have tried this one already. It is very, very nice. It is very emollient. There is the product itself. It is a pink color in there, but it does not look very pink on. That is just a little bit. It is nice and thick. And I do think that it helps soften. I don't know that I would say that it is a overnight treatment, but it is certainly a mask that does help more than just a chapstick or something like that. So beautiful, beautiful. So there is my Glam Bag X for the month of November. I do have to say I am a little disappointed this month. I usually love my Glam Bag X. I think that it was much more skincare heavy this time versus makeup, and I did know that they had quite a few more makeup products that were available. So definitely a little disappointed by that. The products though all seem very expensive, very Glam Bag XS kind of products, so I don't have the complaint that sometimes I do with BoxyCharm that the products aren't really that premier, but I do think all of them in this box were. I just wish there were a little more makeup for me. Otherwise, I do have a couple of products in here that I am super excited to try. What did you guys get in your Glam Bag X this month? Are you super excited to try a particular product? I know they had quite a few makeup products in there. I would love to know what you got, so drop me a line and let me know. Thank you guys so much for joining me again today. I loved having you here with me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.